Hello everyone. Today's topic is classification of numbers. So, today I will help you to know about numbers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And press the bell icon to get the future notifications. So let's get started.
You may have heard different types of numbers already, but today I will help you to understand what's the difference between all. So, we will talk about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. So first type of number is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted with the letter n. And natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. So easy method to remember about them is you start counting. When you start counting, naturally it comes from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Generally, whenever somebody asks you about numbers, you think from 1. So you can keep it in your mind that natural numbers are from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Nobody thinks a number starts with 0. So it's not actual fact, but I'm just giving you a way to remember. The second type of numbers are called whole numbers. So whole numbers can be denoted with letter W. And whole numbers are same as natural numbers, 1, 2, 3 and so on, but it includes 0 also. So you can remember whole has O. So whole numbers have 0 also. So this is also a method to remember it. Now you can see in the picture, natural numbers are a part of whole numbers. So all natural numbers are a part of whole numbers. So we can say all natural numbers are whole numbers. Can we say all whole numbers are natural numbers? Just think for a while. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. I can prove it. 0 is a natural number. No. 0 is a whole number. Yes. So, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Now, let's learn about integers. So, integers means all positive, all negative, also 0. So, we can see on the number line, on the right side of the 0, you have positive numbers. On the left side, you have the negative numbers. So, all positive and negative numbers with 0 are known as integers. But remember, in integers, no fractions, no decimals. So, let's learn it with a picture. In the picture, natural number is the part of whole numbers. And whole numbers are the part of integers. So you can say all natural numbers or all whole numbers are integers. So you can say integers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But it includes negative numbers also. But it does not include fractions and decimals. So you can say integers is the big set. It includes both whole numbers and natural numbers. So in this case, again, we can say all natural numbers and all whole numbers are integers. But it is wrong to say otherwise. If you say all integers are whole numbers, it will be wrong because integers includes negative numbers also. Same as natural numbers. Natural numbers has only positive number, but integers has negative numbers. So integers is a bigger set. Now let's talk about rational numbers. Rational number means fractions and decimals, including all other integers. Oh, that means rational number includes fractions, decimals, and integers. So this is the biggest set. So in rational number, we have all positive numbers, all negative numbers, zero, as well as fractions and decimals. So let's learn about it. When you have anything in fraction, it means P is an integer, Q is an integer, but remember, Q cannot be zero. If in the fraction Q is zero, the answer would be undefined. So that type of number won't be included in rational numbers. So we can say rational number includes all fractions like 2 over 9, 4 over 2, 2 over 4, fractions which terminates. Terminates means which finishes off, which gives you a definite decimal, and also fractions which don't terminate but have pattern. Let's understand it. In the example 2 over 4, if you divide, you will get 0.5. So 0.5 is terminated already. So you can say 2 over 4 is a rational number. And 4 over 2, if you divide, you will see 2. Oh, 2 is a proper integer. So you can say it's also a rational number. In this example, 2 over 9, if you see, if you divide 2 by 9, you get 0.222. It's not terminating, but it has a definite pattern. That means 2 is repeating itself, but it has a definite pattern. So it's a rational number. So what kind of fraction is not rational number, which does not give you a definite pattern? So in this example, 19 over 17, you getting a decimal which is not terminating and it does not have a terminating type of pattern. So you can say 1, 1, 7, 6, 4. There is not a definite pattern. So this type of fraction is not a rational number. So you need to check that should be a terminating decimal or a decimal having definite pattern. In this example also, this also does not have a pattern. So this one is not rational number. This one also not a rational number. Same here. If you see this number, if this number is with you, there is a pattern you can see. So this type of number is the rational number. Now let's talk about the sets. So rational number includes integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. And rational numbers are denoted with the letter Q. So it includes all integers, also fractions and decimals, but it does not include not terminating fractions
with no pattern.
irrational numbers. So it's very clear the numbers which are not rational numbers are irrational numbers. So let's talk about it. 22 over 7. If you talk about 22 over 7, it is giving you a decimal which is not terminating. Also, there is no pattern. So this type of numbers which does not terminate, also they don't have a pattern. These type of numbers are called irrational numbers. You will see square root of 2, square root of 3 or pi. These values will give you irrational number values.
Irrational number and rational number have different sets. So, rational number cannot be irrational number and any irrational number cannot be rational number. They are completely different. Rational numbers are denoted with letter Q and irrational numbers are denoted with letter P. Real numbers. Real number means rational number as well as irrational numbers. So, when we talk about real numbers, we denote it with letter R. And real number means all types of numbers, rational as well as irrational. Now, we can see the real numbers in the form of sets. So, real number means both irrational numbers and rational numbers. So, now our topic for all types of numbers are clear, and it is very useful for your future mathematics tricks.